Hello everyone. So in this video we're going to be continuing our fraction series and looking at simplifying improper fractions. So as we've said before, an improper fraction could also be called a top-heavy fraction because it's top-heavy. It's a higher number on the top than on the bottom. So we've got one here, 3 over 2. Remember, it means 3 divided by 2. So what we could do to simplify that, we could just say, well, it's 3 biscuits shared between 2 people, which means they're going to get 1.5 each. The other way we could look at this is to say, right, it's 3 halves. So if we draw 1 half, another half, put it together with our first half, and then a third half, our 3 halves are going to make 1 whole and 1 half, so 1.5. So that's our first fraction simplified, 3 over 2. Right, let's try another one. So this time we're going to do 4 over 3. Quite a simple one. So you can imagine we use the same technique here. So what we'll do, it's 4/3. So if we took 1/3, added it to another third, and as usual with my drawings, they're not quite even thirds, but we'll go with it. So 3/3 gone so far. This is our 4th third, so we've made 1 and a third. Another way of doing that, which is what we're going to do from now on in this video, is to say, remember bus stop? If not, we're going to be having a video on that coming out soon. How many 3's in 4? There are 1 3 in 4, remainder 1, and then whatever the other number is, whatever the number is here, we take from here, put it here to make 1 and 1/3. So just show you that again with 8/5. So 8/5. As you can see, I've gone to the school of how to draw perfect 5s. Here we go. And again, right, slow, Chris, slow. Okay. Perfect 5, so 8/5 equals, right, how many 5's go into 8? The answer is 1. And what is the remainder? The remainder is 3. What do we have here? We just use that number. So 1 and 3/5. So that's our first 3 improper fractions done. So we're going to do another 3 now. Just get rid of all that. Right, so let's do 3 more now. So we have 7 over 2. So using the technique we've just looked at, how many 2's in 7? The answer is 3. Remainder 1. Get that number, put it there. 3.5. Okay, next one, 8 over 3. So, how many 3's in 8? The answer is 2. And the remainder is 2. Take that number, put it here, 2/3. Perfect. Right. 8 over 5. How many 5's in 8? The answer is 1. How many left over? 8 minus 5 gives you 3. Take that number, put it here. So 8/5 can be simplified to 1 and 3/5. Okay, we've got room here to do another 3. So we're going to do, in fact, we're just going to do 2 more. Then I'm going to give you some test questions. So here we have 22 over 7. You may recognise that number as pi, which is an approximation because you can't get an exact fraction to simplify to show what pi is. Okay, so how many 7's in 22? Well, 3 7's are 21, so that's 3, remainder 1, and then you've got this number goes here. So 22 over 7 is 3 and 1/7. Okay, then we're going to do 19 over 4. Okay, so how many 4's in 19? So 4 5's are 20, that would be too many, so it must be 4. 4 4's are 16, so that would be 19 take away 16, our remainder is 3. And then we use that number, put that there, gives us 4 3/4. Okay, so get a pencil or pen and paper ready, because I'm going to give you a few test questions. Just going to be 4 questions. See if you can get all 4 right. Simplifying these 4 fractions. Okay, so as soon as I start writing the fraction, you can start trying to simplify it. So the first one is 5 over 2. Okay. Right, have you done that one yet? So hopefully you will have said, how many 2's go into 5? The answer is 2. Remainder 1, so that gives us 2.5. Okay, so again, as soon as I've written 6 over 4, you start working out. So simplify 6 over 4. Okay, so hopefully you've done that one now. So how many 4's in 6? The answer is 1. The remainder is 2. Now, you can see we've got 1 2/4. So hopefully you're all shouting at the video now for the fact that you can simplify 2/4 into 1/2. Okay, just to show there's a slightly different way you could have done that. You could have said that 6 over 4 is the same, let's just get another colour pen, is the same as 3 over 2, because we've done half of that, 3 over the 2, or 2's into 3 is 1, remainder 1, so that makes 1.5. Okay, so we're going to do 2 more, and then that will be the end of the video. Okay, so 8/6. So, let's give you some time to do that one. Okay, so hopefully you've done that one. So how many 6's in 8? The answer is 1. Remainder 2. Take that 6 from there. 1 2/6. Again, you can see that we can simplify 1 2/6 to give half that, 1 1/3. Or the alternative way, we could say 8 over 6, halve each number, is the same as 4 over 3, which magically is the same as 1 1/3. Great. So the last one we're going to do, 10 over 9. So, let's give you some time to work that one out. So, only really one decent way of doing this one. How many 9's in 10? The answer is 1. You only have 1 left, and you use that number as a 9. Okay, so that is how to simplify improper fractions. Thank you for watching that video, and if you enjoyed that, please check out our website for more great online resources. So the address is www.routes2success11plus.uk, or find us on Twitter @routes2success. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great videos. Thank you.